And let's go. Music Man here. Guitar lesson for Nothing Else Matters, Metallica. What a tune. What a tune. Listen, we're going to take you through it. A couple of different ways to play it, a couple of different parts to it. But basically, just get strumming E minor, D, and C. Okay, and you're counting in threes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, D, 2, 3, C, 2, 3. All these words I don't just say. End of the verse, it's going to be G. It's going to be B minor or any kind of B. You can do that B if you like. Back to E minor. The key of E minor, so it's going to be a lot of E minor. Start on E minor, end on E minor. The Kirk part, if you can do a 3-finger wee power chord there, 7th fret on the A string, which is the E, drop it down to 5, 7, 7, which is your D, 3, 5, 5, which is your C. Rock that top E string, D, C. Last time is going to be G, 3, 5, 5, 7, 9, 9, which is your B on the top string. Back to E minor, and D and C. Get that nice up, up, and a D and C. It's a beautiful song. Oh, these words I won't just say. G, B, E minor. Okay, C, A major is 2 chords going up to the chorus. D, never care for what they do. That's a C. Back to D, 2, 3, D, 2, 3, C, 2, 3. G again, B minor again, E minor. Okay, the epic classic intro, you're just going to use open strings. Hopefully you probably knew that already. Open E up on top. G, B, E. G, B, E, B, G. Bottom string, you're going to work the 7 and the 8. Pull off the 7 PO. Okay, that's going to be, I just kind of pinch the 2 E's, fretting the high E, 7, 8, 7, 5, 7, 5, 3, into a C chord, and do a D. What a tune, what a tune. Thank you, James. Kirk does the first solo, James does the angry solo at the end, which is over the D and the C, I believe, but great tune. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.